Hey, how you doing? I'm Chris.
And I'm Cameron.
And we are the hosts of SolarEdge Night Mode. We know that you haven't seen much of us here in November. That's because it's been incredibly busy with our new product.
Absolutely. I've been working out in the field, installing as many Nexis inverters, Nexis Islanders, and Nexis battery blocks as I can to make sure that we have a great product for launch next year.
Yeah, we've been on site after site with the wonderful field team that we've got here at SolarEdge, getting as many of these units out there as possible. But we wanted to let you know that we are still going to be rolling out content in December. We're going to be having a live guest, I believe, as well as doing some content from an actual site so you can see a real world installation. Going to be very fun, and we'll be resuming our normal schedule starting in January.
Absolutely. And we also wanted to take a moment to say Happy Thanksgiving.
Absolutely. From all of our families to yours, we wish you a happy and safe Thanksgiving. So until we see you next, stay sunny.
Stay optimized.
Cheers.